Unit 6, Lesson 1, Student Example number 1, C and D. Continuing with the student example, Part C asks us to write an equation that relates the number of toothpicks, big N, to the figure number, little n. I find it's easiest if I just create a t-table right off the bat. Let's put little n here and big N here. We know that we have figure numbers 1 to 4. Now we can count the number of toothpicks in each figure number. If we do it for the first one, we'll see that there's 4. If we do it for the second, 6. The third will have 8, and the fourth will have 10. If we take a look, the left-hand side of our t-table goes up by increments of 1. Because it goes up by that steady pattern, we can use our shortcut. So the difference between here and here is plus 2. Make sure that pattern continues. The difference between here and here is plus 2. And the difference between here and here is also plus 2. So we can say that big N is equal to 2 times little n. Now we have to figure out what we have to add. So 1 times 2 is 2. And to get to 4, I had to add 2. So add 2 here. Make sure this works. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 equals 8, and 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 equals 10. So it does work. So that would be an equation that would represent. So now that we have an equation, we can figure out part D very easily. They're saying how many toothpicks are needed for figure 80. Well, the number of toothpicks is symbolized by big N, and we have our equations that says big N equals 2 times little n plus 2. Little n is our figure number, so 2 times 80 plus 2. 2 times 80 is 160 plus 2. It's 162 toothpicks would be needed for figure number